Hi guys, Acne here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to have a product review, and then I'm super excited to share this to you guys because sharing is caring, and it made my pimples really maging invisible na siya. So why not share it to you? I'm super excited because I really wanted to share this to you guys as soon as possible kasi na-shock ako kasi 2 days pa lang, 2 nights and 1 morning ko siyang ginamit, as in ang dali niyang nakano talaga siya, nakatulong siya sa akin kung paano na ano yung pimples ko. And as you can see, ito na yun siya. And this one, here, and mga pimples all over my nose. Ang dami, nag-breakout talaga ako dito. And ito, grabe. So, the product that I want to share to you guys is this Quick FX Pimple Eraser. Ito siya, guys. Napakita ko tuloy kasi super excited ako. So, without further ado, punta muna tayo sa packaging, okay? Huwag muna tayong excited. So, pasensya na guys. Today, wala tayong makeup kasi I really wanted to show to you kung ano yung nangyayari sa face ko. Lately, wala akong ginagawa na makeup tutorial. Supposedly, gagawa ako ng 2 to 3 makeup tutorials in 1 week. But then, pinahinga ko muna yung face ko, besh, kasi grabe, nag-breakout talaga ako ng sobrang-sobra, and I think I need to rest. So that's why, today, pinakita ko na naman ang bare face ko. Sayang yung Wednesday, wala tayong Masked Wednesday kasi nga nagpahinga yung beauty ng lola nyo, best. So by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And punta muna tayo sa packaging bago ko naman i-share sa inyo yung mga progress, no? Para naman talagang hindi naman, maybe disclaimer lang guys, this is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang talagang i-share sa inyo kung paano ko napa-dried up fast yung pimples ko na super stubborn with this Pimple Eraser Quick FX. And by the way guys, it costs 99 pesos and super affordable sa Watsons. Any Watsons guys, meron ang Quick FX talaga, ang super gusto ko sa kanya yung primer niya. Hindi ko pa na-try yung sa eye cream, but I bought one and I'm super excited to try that one as well. So, dito tayo sa packaging para naman maliwanagan tayo. So, ang packaging niya, Quick FX, ganito talaga siya guys. Mayroon siyang ito. Ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi talagang sinop na sinop yung pera mo, at saka super, marami talaga siyang laman guys for the price of 99 pesos. And konti lang naman yung gagamitin mo dito kasi konti lang yung ilalagay mo dun sa certain areas na problematic. And then, ang gusto ko sa kanya, tingnan nyo naman, sulit na sulit. Yun nga lang, hindi naman siya nature friendly kasi plastic to. But then, ang ganda ng packaging niya, hindi magsispill kahit ilagay mo siya sa bag. And super handy talaga. So, alam niyo naman ang packaging ng Quick FX, and it is made in Korea. So, ang nakalagay dito, it's a pimple eraser with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, zinc oxide, vitamin C, and niacinamide. So, ang tinitingnan ko dito, na ano talaga ako kasi merong salicylic acid. As you all know naman, it's very good for your skin, especially sa acne-prone skin at treatment ng pimples. And meron dito nakalagay benefits. It helps dry up pimples, helps diminish and reduce dark spots due to scarring, helps protect skin against the sun. Quick FX. So dito naman sa likod, meron ditong with glycolic acid that rejuvenates and evens out skin tone. It also clears pores by removing old and dead skin, exposing healthy skin cells underneath. With salicylic acid, and helps prevent and treat acne. It also helps clear out blemishes, fine lines, and dark spots. So, I'm not really after on this one. I'm after on drying up my pimples. Okay, so with zinc oxide that helps controls inflammation and relieves the skin against irritation and rash. It also provides superior protection against the harmful rays of the sun. With vitamin C that helps protect against UVB rays and can help combat sun damage. It also decreases wrinkles and lightens pigmented skin. With niacinamide that helps lighten dark spots, it also helps in treatment of acne. So, meron ditong directions guys. Meron nakalagay, gently apply on affected area. Apply 2 times daily, morning and night. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Ina-apply ko siya ng night at saka morning. So, I'm going to take you back to days ago. Basta 2 nights and 1 day ko na siyang nagamit. So, let me share to you the first time na ginamit ko siya. Ew. Guys, ito yung face ko na Super dami yung pimples. Ito, last night nilagyan ko to ng pimple eraser. And lalagyan ko ulit today. Tignan natin if effective ba siya. Sorry sa aking face. Nahila ako. Ito yon yung Quick FX na pimple eraser. See you on the next day. Hi guys, good morning. So bale, nilagay ko yung pimple eraser ng Quick FX 2 nights and 1 day. 2 nights tapos 1 morning. And ito yung result. Makikita nyo talaga, nag-dried up ito. Ito naman less visible na siya. So far, meron kasi yung salicylic acid. So I think, nano na siya, nag-dried up. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy, I'm going to update to you. Hindi ko to siya kinurat, guys, or whatsoever. Picture natin. So, ayan na nga, guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung first application ko. And, right now, since I will be, paano na ako, guys? I will be doing my super, ano ba yun? Aray. Yung super light na skincare because I don't want, gusto ko mag-concentrate sa pag-treat ng acne ko para balik na naman ako sa alindog ng skincare. So, as of now, I will be cleaning another bottle na naman na Eucerin Derma to Clean. Ito yung cleanser ko lately and ito na, double cleanse na to siya. So, yun nga guys, I went outside earlier kasi meron akong i-review na product soon. Okay, and gagamitin kong moisturizer or mist is ito, Jeju Aloe Ice. So, malapit na siyang maubos. Meron akong binili pala na tomato toner kasi nag-breakout ako dun sa malunggay toner. I don't know, hindi ako hiyang sa kanya, besh. Kahit ilab ko pa naman siya. But then, I will do a review for that. So, tapos na tayo mag-spray. Madaling-madali lang naman tong video na to. I was just super excited to share to you guys this pimple eraser kasi yun nga, mura, and then tipid, and then multi-purpose pa naman siya. So, yan na guys, I'm back. So, tuyo na yung face ko from the Jeju Aloe Ice na facial mist. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, hindi ako magta-try muna ng maraming products. Ang gusto ko lang i-concentrate yung mga ko sa mukha ko. Kailangan talagang i-get rid siya para naman makapag-tutorial tayo ng bongga. Kasi alam nyo naman ako, gusto ko talagang gumawa ng more makeup tutorial. Baka mag-breakout pa yung face ko. Kaya, muna tayo. Chill lang muna tayo. And, for the final part, gagamitin na natin yung pimple eraser. So, ginagawa ko lang naman is konti nito. Tingnan nyo guys. Kumuha lang talaga konting-konti, ilalagay ko dito. And before pala guys, na-insert ko na yung first na paggamit ko and second na paggamit ko nito. Talagang nakikita nyo na lang siya. First night, second night, and one morning, talagang nag-dried up talaga. Nakikita nyo naman talaga yung difference. Ito, grabe to kalaki. And then, nag-dried up na talaga siya. So, pa-fade na siya. Ito rin, ito yung pinakamalaki, nag-dried up na siya. And then, ito rin dito, nag-dried up na. Ito, nag-dried up na talaga siya. Ang kulang na lang, mawala yung mga dark spots niya. And it's healed already. Ito din. And, the good thing, first kung pag-apply sa kanya, yung mga konting sting, maano mo talaga nag-work yung product. Kaya, continue ko siyang ginagamit kasi I was hopeful. Kasi naman, first night pa lang, pag morning, nag-dried up na talaga agad siya. So, kinontinue ko talaga siya kasi it helps. And then for the price of 99 pesos, naman, effective naman siya. So, pasensya na if maingay. Yan lang yung ginagawa ko guys. Nilalagyan ko lang sa kanya. So, nakikita nyo naman talaga yung difference na, nakita nyo naman talaga yung talagang difference na talagang nag-dried up siya for just 2 application. And, that's why gustong-gusto ko tong i-film kasi sabi ko, I will rest muna from filming kasi kadalasan naman ng makeup, ng videos ko, makeup tutorial, product reviews. So, iniisip ko na mag-stop muna kasi baka ma-irritate yung skin ko and hindi ko na ma-rescue siya. So, I try, stop muna and then, na-excite lang ako na gawin to kasi maybe mga 70% effective talaga siya kasi wala namang overnight na talagang matatanggal-tanggal agad. But then, from 2 to 3 uses, okay na siya. Kasi ang dami niya, 99 pesos. Tapos, gusto ko pa yung packaging. And then, ito yung nabigay niya sa akin. Naglighten yung iba kong pimples. Tapos, yung iba naman nag-dried up. So, okay na okay siya for me. And super happy because I found this one. Kasi alam nyo naman ako, tipidera, mama, mga mama vlogger, mommy vlogger. So, kailangan magtipid. So, maghanap tayo ng yung hindi tayo gaanong gagasto, no? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. Pasensya na talaga if wala akong gaanong upload na videos. But as long as mawala na to, ma-okay na yung skin ko, I will do another makeup tutorial. Hopefully, meron akong ma-upload na makeup tutorial by Monday. Makapag-edit naman. And, hopefully makapag-must Wednesday na tayo. And mga more vlogs, update, GCQ. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'm ready to sleep na. So bye-bye for now. See you soon. Sarangem. Mwah.